Uh, you know what? I'm 1,000ths too big. I think that's acceptable.
Okay.
So now, what we're going to do is remove this. And I wanted you to see it's stuck on here because
It's taper.
the taper. So you get a soft hammer, little bit, and you keep pushing with your hand. There you go. Now, it made a tiny little impression in there, but this is tapered 1.5 degrees. 2 degrees is too much.
Okay.
1 is not enough.
Okay. You made that tool, or you made that tool?
I made that tool, yes.
Wow. Every time you have job, you made
This is correct.
a special tool?
Yes, often a machinist has to make many special tools.
Wow.
Now let me explain
That's
something.
why it takes time.
When I first started this job, I started at 285 RPM just for a starting point. And I was feeding across at 7/1000ths of an inch per revolution. Now I'm sorry, but it's going to get a little noisy. Now with carbide needs to work. If you don't make carbide work, the tool wears out prematurely.
Okay.
So now I am going 400 RPM,
Okay.
and I'm pushing 0.008 of an inch per revolution.
Okay.
And I have a cheat sheet here. I wrote down notes
Okay.
so that I know where I'm beginning.
So this is, you finished the 3 of those?
Yes. Take a look at this. I'm ready to begin.
Okay.
Now the chips are going straight down. When chips come at you long and stringy, instead of breaking off, that means you have to push harder or slow down the RPM.
Okay.
I did both. I increased the RPM, which made it worse, but that's okay because then I pushed harder, and now I'm not getting stringy chips.
Yeah.
They form, they fall, they form, they fall.
Yeah.
Because I'm only driving by a taper, I'm only taking 20,000ths of an inch off the diameter at a time.
Okay.
So I need 3 passes,
Okay.
and I'm done. This part of the job.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, Dad.
you're welcome.